Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to configure a passcode for your Dropbox mobile application. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already installed the application and logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. If you don't know how to, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now what you guys need to do is simply go to account, the buttons at the bottom right of the screen, right next to photos. I'm gonna click on it right now. Once you click on it, something like this will open up. Well, right here, what we guys need to do is simply go to setting. At the top right, you can see a gear-like icon. Just click on it and you will be in the Dropbox settings. Well, there are lots of options, but what we guys need to focus on is under the features section. And right here, you can see a button like this that says Configure Passcode. Simply click on it right now. A new page like this will open up, and at the very top right, it's saying Turn Passcode on. And there's a button associated to the right of it. Simply enable it on. It might ask you to enter your passcode. I'm just gonna enter it right now. Likewise, it's gonna ask you to re-enter your passcode. I entered it. And guys, that is it. As you can see, you have successfully enabled passcode for your Dropbox mobile application. That's it for the video guys. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.